Hi, this is Stephen Ryer from Irvine Community College. This is for CSIT 256, Computer Architecture and Assembly Language. And this is meant to be the overview for week 7. So the overview for week 7, from a content point of view, the new stuff that we're going to be taking a look at out of Irvine chapter 12 is going to be floating point. And so comparing this to Java, it's float and double. Now in Java, we had a plus sign. It would depend on what the plus sign is between. But in other words, we would just use plus. It was kind of an overloaded operator, which I don't know if we talked about back then. But in terms of assembly, add is for adding integers. Fadd is for adding floating point. And so that's one of the things we're going to take a look at in Irvine chapter 12. There's a different set of floating point instructions that correspond to floating point data. With that said about chapter 12, looking ahead a week, the lab that's going to be based on floating point is going to be due week 8. Now, from a assignment point of view for week 7, well, the big thing that's hanging over the head is exam 2. Now, hopefully it's not July 27th and you're watching this overview video, because the exam 2 info should have been posted before 7/20. It should have been out for a while, and it would have had in there a sample question so you could practice. So hopefully you saw that and prepared. But exam 2 is a sort of the big chunk for the week. And the only other thing for the week from assignment point of view is the homework. And as I already mentioned, looking ahead, the assembly lab on Irvine chapter 12 is due next week. So that's it for the overview for week 7.